Welcome po sa BIMS App Tutorial 12. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang Barangay Development Plan or BDP Management Tile ng BIMS App. Ang Barangay Development Plan module ay ginagamit para gumawa at mag-manage ng Structured Development Roadmap ng barangay for the next 5 years. Dito inaayos ang mga development priorities related to infrastructure, social services, livelihood, resilience, and other long-term barangay programs. Sa main dashboard, makikita natin ang tile na Barangay Development Plan Management. Kapag binuksan ito, dadalhin tayo sa Barangay Development Plan screen. Sa page na ito, makikita ang fiscal year selection. Ito ang ginagamit para piliin kung anong year or planning period ang nire-review or ina-update. Makikita rin ang buttons tulad ng Proposed BDP and Add BDP. Ang Proposed BDP ay ginagamit para makita or i-review ang Proposed Development Plan entries. Ang Add BDP naman ay ginagamit para magdagdag ng bagong development plan record. Sa table, makikita ang mga BDP records. These may include the program name, category, subcategory, beneficiaries, fund source, assigned task, target date, estimated costs, and available actions. Ang bawat BDP entry ay kumakatawan sa isang development priority or project direction ng barangay. Halimbawa, pwedeng may infrastructure project, road and drainage improvement, livelihood program, social service initiative, or disaster resilience activity. May available actions din sa bawat record tulad ng edit, delete, and add to AIP. Ang add to AIP ay important because selected BDP records may later be included in the annual investment program. This connects long-term development planning to annual budgeting. Another important part of this module is the Barangay Development Plan summary. This section contains the official narrative of the BDP. It summarizes the barangay's vision, priorities, and strategic direction for the 5-year planning period. The BDP summary is loaded automatically from the database when the page opens. It is initially read only, so the user must click Edit Summary before making changes. After editing, the user must click Save Summary to store the updated narrative. This summary is important because it appears in the official BDP PDF report, kaya dapat malinaw, kumpleto, and aligned sa actual barangay priorities before generating reports. The system also includes barangay boundary mapping support. Using the polygon tool, the user can draw the barangay boundary on the map by clicking points around the perimeter. Once completed, the boundary can be saved into the system. The saved boundary is useful for mapping and reporting. It can be used in the Infrastructure Projects module to display government projects, enable geotagging, and provide map-based visualization of projects within the barangay. When drawing the boundary, importanteng accurate ang shape. Avoid overlapping or incomplete polygons and zoom in for better precision, especially along roads, coastlines, or irregular barangay borders. Sa right side or help context, makikita ang guide explaining what the section does, how the BDP summary works, how to use the boundary tool, available actions, important notes, and system impact. In summary, ang Barangay Development Plan Management Tile ay designed para gawing organized and traceable ang long-term development planning ng barangay. It connects the barangay's 5-year vision, program priorities, project records, BDP summary, map boundary, and annual investment program preparation into one structured workflow. Sa future how-to tutorials, pag-aaralan natin ang detailed steps tulad ng paano mag-add ng BDP record, paano mag-edit ng BDP summary, paano mag-add ng BDP item to AIP, paano mag-draw ng barangay boundary, and paano mag-generate ng official BDP report. For now, ito muna ang overview ng Barangay Development Plan Management Tile. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS App mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com, tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS App po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.